Hey everyone, welcome! Today we're diving into the exciting world of TypeScript. Don't worry if you're new to this, we'll break it down together and make it super easy to understand. Our goal? To learn the basics of TypeScript and see how it can make our coding lives easier and more efficient. Think of TypeScript as a helpful tool that makes our JavaScript code even better. It's like having a buddy who double-checks your work for errors before you turn it in. Throughout this journey, we'll explore the ins and outs of TypeScript, from understanding its core concepts to seeing how it seamlessly integrates with your existing JavaScript projects. We'll also see how it helps us catch those pesky bugs early on, which, let's be honest, is always a good thing. So, buckle up, grab your favorite beverage, and let's get started on this exciting adventure with TypeScript. TypeScript, in simple terms, is like a superpower for JavaScript. It takes the already versatile and powerful JavaScript and elevates it to a whole new level. It's technically a superset of JavaScript, which means it takes everything awesome about JavaScript and adds some extra features to make it even more powerful. These features are designed to help developers write better, more reliable code. Imagine JavaScript as a delicious cake. It's already amazing on its own, right? You can enjoy it as it is, and it will still be delightful. Now add a scoop of ice cream on top. That's TypeScript. It brings an extra layer of goodness that enhances the overall experience. It enhances the flavor and makes the whole experience even better. Just like how ice cream complements cake, TypeScript complements JavaScript by adding new capabilities. One of the key things that sets TypeScript apart is its use of static typing. This feature is a game changer for many developers. Now you might be wondering, what in the world is static typing? Why is it so important? Well, it simply means that in TypeScript we can define the type of data a variable can hold, like a number, string or boolean. This helps catch errors early in the development process. This might seem like a small detail, but trust me, it makes a huge difference in the long run. It can save you from a lot of headaches and debugging time. It's like labeling your kitchen containers. You know exactly what's inside without having to open them all up. This clarity and organization can make your coding process smoother and more efficient. With TypeScript, you can code with confidence, knowing that your variables are well defined and your code is less prone to errors. It's a tool that empowers developers to create robust and maintainable applications. Let's dive a little deeper into the difference between statically typed and dynamically typed languages. Understanding these differences can help you choose the right tool for your project. Think of it like this. Statically typed languages are like meticulously planned road trips. You have a clear roadmap and itinerary. You map out your route in advance, knowing exactly where you're going and what to expect along the way. This ensures a smooth journey with fewer unexpected detours. This is similar to TypeScript, where we define data types early on. By specifying types, we can catch errors before they become problems, making our code more robust. Dynamically typed languages like JavaScript are more like spontaneous adventures. You have the freedom to make decisions on the go. You hop in the car and decide on the fly where you want to go. This allows for a lot of flexibility and creativity in your journey. It's exciting and flexible, but you might encounter a few surprises along the way. These surprises can be both thrilling and challenging. Now, both approaches have their pros and cons. Statically typed languages offer predictability and reliability. Static typing helps us catch errors early on, while dynamic typing offers more flexibility. This flexibility can be crucial for rapid prototyping and iterative development. TypeScript gives us the best of both worlds by allowing us to start with dynamic typing and gradually add static types as our project grows. This hybrid approach can adapt to the evolving needs of a project. It's like having a GPS system that can guide us even on our most adventurous coding journeys. With TypeScript, you get the flexibility of dynamic typing and the safety of static typing, making it a versatile choice for many developers. Now that we've got a handle on the basics, let's explore some of the key features that make TypeScript so awesome. One of the coolest things about TypeScript is its support for predefined types. These predefined types are like building blocks that help us create more complex and robust code. They provide a clear blueprint for our data structures, making our code easier to understand and maintain. Think of it like building with Legos. Each Lego brick has a specific shape and purpose, and when you combine them following the instructions, you can create amazing structures. Similarly, TypeScript's predefined types help us build well-organized and reliable code. Section 5. The power of predefined types. TypeScript offers a wide range of predefined types, each designed to handle specific kinds of data. For instance, we have perfect for handling, well, numbers. This type can represent whole numbers, decimals, and even exponents. This one's for dealing with text. Whether it's a single character or a whole paragraph, the string type has got you covered. This type is all about truth values. It can be either true or false, making it ideal for handling conditions and comparisons in our code. These are just a few examples of the many predefined types that TypeScript provides. By using these types effectively, we can write code that is not only more efficient, but also easier to debug and maintain. Section 6. Advantages of TypeScript over JavaScript. You might be wondering, why go through the trouble of learning TypeScript when I can stick with plain old JavaScript? Well, let me tell you, the benefits of TypeScript are numerous and quite compelling. One of the most significant advantages is enhanced error detection. Remember those times when you've spent hours trying to track down a bug in your JavaScript code? With TypeScript, many of those errors would have been caught right from the start. TypeScript's static typing acts like a safety net, catching potential errors before they can cause any real trouble. Section 7. Enhanced error detection with TypeScript. Let's say you accidentally try to add a number to a string in your code. In JavaScript, this might go unnoticed until your code crashes during runtime. However, TypeScript would immediately flag this as an error, letting you know that you're trying to mix oil and water, so to speak. This early error detection not only saves us precious time and effort, but also helps us write more reliable and robust code. It's like having a coding buddy who always has your back, pointing out potential pitfalls before you stumble into them. Section 8. Improved code organization and readability. Another fantastic advantage of TypeScript is its ability to improve code organization and readability. By using types and interfaces, we can create a clear structure for our code, making it easier for others and our future selves to understand and maintain. Think of it like organizing your closet. Instead of having clothes strewn about haphazardly, you neatly arrange them into categories: shirts, pants, dresses, and so on. This makes it much easier to find what you're looking for and keeps everything tidy. Similarly, TypeScript helps us structure our code in a logical and organized manner. Section 9. Boosting team productivity with TypeScript. When working on large projects with multiple developers, TypeScript really shines. Its strong typing system acts as a common language between developers, reducing misunderstandings and making collaboration smoother. Imagine a basketball team where everyone speaks a different language. It would be pretty chaotic, right? TypeScript is like having a universal language that everyone on the team understands. This shared understanding leads to fewer errors, faster development cycles, and ultimately a more productive and harmonious team. Section 10. Setting up your TypeScript development environment. Now that we've explored the many wonders of TypeScript, are you ready to give it a try? Let's dive into the process of setting up your development environment so you can start coding right away. Setting up your TypeScript development environment is a breeze, especially if you're already familiar with Visual Studio Code, a popular code editor among developers. Visual Studio Code offers a plethora of extensions and features that make TypeScript development smooth and efficient. First, you'll need to install Node, JJs, and NPM, the Node package manager on your system. These tools are essential for managing and running TypeScript projects. Think of Node JDs as the engine that powers TypeScript, while NPM is like a handy toolbox that helps us manage TypeScript packages. Together, they form the backbone of your TypeScript development environment. You can download the latest versions of Node, JDs, and NPM from the official website. Make sure to follow the installation instructions specific to your operating system to ensure a smooth setup process. Once you have Node.js and npm up and running, open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command to install TypeScript globally on your system: npm install g-TypeScript. This step is crucial as it allows you to use TypeScript in any project without needing to install it locally each time. This command tells npm to go ahead and install TypeScript globally, making it accessible from any project on your system. It's a one-time setup that saves you time and effort in the long run. With TypeScript installed, you're all set to start writing and compiling TypeScript code. Visual Studio Code, with its robust support for TypeScript, will make your coding experience enjoyable and productive. In the next section, we'll dive into the exciting world of writing your first TypeScript program. Get ready to see your code come to life with the power of TypeScript.